For example, if your child points a ball, you can say, yes, that's a ball, a big or a small. Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Prosenjeet. I am working as a child development therapist at Institute of Pediatric Neurodisorder and Autism in Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujib Medical University, Dhaka, Bangladesh. I am here to help you support your child's speech and language development. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our helpful tips and techniques. Speech and language skills development gradually. Here are some general milestones you can expect. If your child 0 to 6 months of age, the speech development is cooing and babbling sounds. And 6 to 12 months of a child, developmental speech milestone is first word like mama and dada. And if your child has 1 year old, 12 to 18 months old, simple words and gestures are the main features of developmental speech milestone. And if your child is 2 to 3 years, the development speech milestone is simple sentences and questions. Remember, every child is different and they develop at their own pace. Let's look at some strategies you can use to encourage speech to each stage. First, let's talk about modeling language. This means you use clear, simple language and repeat it often. For example, if your child points to a ball. For example, if your child points a ball, you can say, yes, that's a ball, a big or a small, or the color of the ball. The portion of this is green, the portion of this ball is color is pink. Another great techniques is expansion. If your child says car, you can expand by saying, yes, that is a big car, that is a blue car. Please mention the car and the color of the car, and this helps them to learn more words and how to put them together. Reading, and the next strategies I should have to mention about reading a book. Reading is also incredibly beneficial. Choose books with lots of pictures and simple text. Point to the picture and describe them. Point to the pictures and describe them. Ask your child questions like, what is this? Or what is the cow is doing? What is the bird doing? Like that. And next, I would like to say about playing games. Playing a game. Playing games can make learning fun. Simple games like peekaboo, or Simon says peekaboo. You can also use everyday activities like grocery shopping or cooking to introduce new words and concepts. You might be wondering, what if my child is not meeting these milestones? It is important not to panic. Some children just need a week or more time. However, if you are concerned, don't hesitate to reach out to a speech therapist or a pathologist. Early intervention can make a big difference. You can contact your pediatrician or a local speech language pathologist or therapist for a professional evaluation. They will be able to guide you on the next steps. They will be able to guide you on the next steps. Here, I will discuss some tips and techniques for speech improvement. Please listen carefully for improving your child's speech knowledges and production. Keep your child face to face and recite rhymes and poems and songs. Determine the child's eye contact by blowing bubbles. Secondly, and most important part for speech production or communication skills techniques, determine the child's eye contact by blowing bubbles. Talk to the child with eye contact and make any eye contact directly. Maintain same height and eye level to the child during speak with your child. And moreover, speak in small sentences. It is most important that if you communicate with your child during the early milestones of your child, it is most important that speak in small sentences. Don't make it large. Learn the name of the picture by showing the picture or object. Talk and teach the tasks of daily living activities like bathing, eating, sleeping, etc. Here I will discuss about the breathing techniques or breathing activities. It is the most important and first step of speech production. I would like to say that breathing is the main mechanism for speech production. So that here are some breathing techniques I would like to mention or discuss in these videos. Let's go. Play the flute and practice teaching how to play the flute by blowing myself. It is most important that play the flute and how to play the flute by showing myself, and inflate balloons and practice techniques how to inflate balloons by blowing myself or by blowing own mouth. Practice blowing into water with a straw. Tell the name of the object or toys before giving anything to the child, and familiarize the child with relatives, friends and children. And finally, I would like to say, don't leave the child alone. Whenever he is alone, bring him and recite songs, rhymes and poems to you. Take the child in front of the mirror and give him an idea about his body parts. Take the child in front of the mirror and give him an idea about his body parts. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, your involvement is crucial in your child's speech and language development. Be patient, consistent and make it fun. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and share it with other parents. If you have any questions on topics you would like us to send or probably a comment below. Thank you.